question here is Mrs. Smith replaces 4 wheels on 3 cars. How many wheels does she replace? Draw and label a tape diagram to solve. So what is Mrs. Smith doing? She is replacing 4 wheels on 3 cars. So the size is 4 and the cars are the number of groups. So number of groups is 3. Once we know the size and the groups, what we have to find is how many wheels does she replace? So we have to find the total number of wheels that she replaced. That is something that we don't know. Okay, so we have to go for multiplication equation. 4 times 3 equals what? Or unknown, that is something we have to find. Okay, now let us do the tape diagram. Tape diagram is right here. So let us fill in the tape diagram. Number of groups is 3. This is group number 1, group 1, group 2, and group 3. Size of each car has 4 wheels. So this is the second car that has 4 wheels. This is the group number 3. The third car that has 4 wheels. So 4 plus 4 will make 8, and 8 plus 4 makes 12. The total 12 goes in the circle. The statement for this question is, we have to restate the last question. How many wheels does she replace? So the character goes first. Character is Mrs. Smith. Mrs. Smith replaces 12 wheels. Period. The question here is, Thomas makes 4 necklaces. Each necklace has 7 beads. Draw and label a tape diagram to show the total number of beads Thomas uses. First, let us see the information that is given. How many necklaces Thomas is making? He is making 4 necklaces. That means the number of groups equals 4. Each necklace, that means one necklace, has 7 beads. So the size of one group is 7. Draw and label a tape diagram. So this is the red figure is a tape diagram to show the total number of beads Thomas uses. So in the circle part, we will be writing the total number of beads that Thomas used. So what we have to find here is total. Total equals what? Or total is an unknown that we have to find. If we have to find the total, we have to do a multiplication equation or multiplication number sentence. So let us do it. 4 times 7 equals what? That is a multiplication equation for this problem. Now let us fill in the tape diagram. We know there are 4 groups. This is group 1, this is group 2, this is group number 3, this is group number 4. So here the groups are necklaces. So there are 4 necklaces. That is why we have 4 groups. And each necklace has 7 beads in it. So each group should have 7 in it. So 7, group number 2, necklace number 2 has 7, necklace number 3 has 7, necklace number 4, group number 4 has 7. Let us add and find out. Skip count. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 makes 21. 21 plus 7 makes 28. So the total 28 goes in the circle. Finally, let us do the statement. Thomas, you have to restate the last question. Show the total number of beads Thomas uses. So, Thomas uses 28 beads, period. The question is, Find the total number of sides on 6 squares. We have to find the total. Total is something that we don't know. The squares here can be represented in groups. Okay, so how many squares are there? 6 squares are there. So the number of groups is 6. And we know that, so this is a square. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, and 4 side. Each square has 4 sides in it. So the size of one group is 4. Since we have to find the total, the multiplication number sentence is 6 times 4 equals what, or unknown, that we have to find. Next, let's move on to the tape diagram and fill in the tape diagram. So this is group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, and group 6. So we know that the size of each group is 4, or each square has 4 sides. Second square has 4 sides, third square has 4 sides, fourth square has 4 sides, fifth square has 4 sides, and sixth square also has 4 sides. Let us add to find out the total. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 makes 12, 12 plus 4 makes 16, 16 plus 4 makes 20, 20 plus 4 makes 24. Write in the total 24 in the circle. And we are now done with the tape diagram. Let's move on to the statement. Find the total number of sides on 6 squares. The statement is, there are 24 sides on 6 squares. Period.